Nice.
Amazing, man.
It's crazy what these things can do. Wait. That's not a trail. Okay. I'm scared of this. Oh, maybe not. I don't want to risk that.
Yeah,
No thanks.
Flying off of us. We got a long ways down. Freaking long ways.
I mean, if one of us makes it, they can get the car.
All right, yeah.
Big rock. Oh man, I don't know about this one.
You guys are good. Hey, are these Segway?
These are electric unicycles.
They're not Segway.
They're similar.
Similar technology,
So
but yeah.
Who manufactures it? I guess
Yeah. This is Gotway. There's two popular brands, Gotway and Kingsong. And this is a 2,000 watt motor, one of the most powerful ones.
And actually, Segway, didn't Segway take over Ninebot or something?
Huh?
Did Segway take over Ninebot?
No, Ninebot took over
Segway?
Segway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then Ninebot also made like
They made a wheel as well. Yeah.
branched off into these. Yeah. It's amazing power, and the balance is good on it, and then we just absorb everything.
Damn, I'm impressed. I mean, I gave up mountain biking, what, 15
Yeah,
years
the
ago.
guy on his bike, he was like, I don't think they're gonna make it up here. And then he's like, what? Like,
Oh, this is something. I watched you guys take off. I said, wow.
Amazing motor. Yeah. We're testing these darn things. They're $2,000. They're close to $2,000 on these, and we're testing. We're actually taking.
That's what my 1980 bicycle cost.
Wow.
I had the original stump jumper. Built right down there by Specialized.
Yeah, you still have it?
No, I gave it to my worker.
Oh, yeah.
No, I went over the handlebars when I hit
Oh, man.
Yeah.
mountain up here in the fall, you know, and the crack got covered up with leaves. And I said, to hell with it, I'm going back to walking. I walked ever since. But I always laugh about it. And this, when I was young, I would have grabbed one of these.
Yeah.
They're neat.
The pedal unicycle, I took it up to here. The one that you.
Yeah. Oh,
From
it's
what is that? Also from Eagle Rock?
What?
All the way down there from Eagle Rock, you took it up here? The pedal one?
All the way where we rode.
Wow.
Alum Rock. All the way up to here. I rode this trail on the pedal unicycle.
I'm
Wow.
impressed.
How do you pedal up here?
How do I
don't
just
know.
pedal by pedal? No gear. All we got is our crank size. The longer the crank, the more torque you have.
Yeah.
The shorter, the smoother it goes. It's the crank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm
From
down with you
165 to 150.
Oh, I see. Okay. You can extend the chain.
size.
Yeah.
I
a little bit.
drilled three. The crank had 2 holes. I drilled another hole to shorten it, and it for roads it's really smooth because it's short, but there's hardly any torque to it.
The long torque up here, though.
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah.
Well, you guys make my day.
Yeah.
I don't usually see things the first time, but I can hardly wait to tell my wife. And my daughter will go out and buy one.
Yeah.
I had one guy I was riding.
They live on the top of Berkeley Hills.
Oh, wow.
On top of
Right next to the path, right? They're 200 feet from the Grizzly Peak Pass. So they have the entire, this all at their backyard. And they got a steep hill they got to go up to get there. A
She
real
would love
steep
it.
hill.
Yeah.
And this would be just...
Self-balancing.
She's got all the balance. She's a gymnast, so it's not an issue.
Cake for her.
Okay.
Yeah. This is cake for her. Yeah. She'll like it.
Oh,
Yeah.
She's gonna buy it. I can see that already.
And if she likes skiing, it feels just like skiing. You
Yeah,
carve.
I can dig
You
it.
just go like this. You just carve. It feels a lot like skiing or like inline skating.
One of my best friends just got back from Grizzly.
Oh
He
yeah.
flew in last night at midnight.
Yeah.
And we stayed up and bullshitted for 2 hours.
Yeah.
But he had a great time in British Columbia.
Oh.
But
yeah.
it was rainy, wet snow.
Yeah.
It made me think of it though when I think about that.
I've seen people ride these in the snow.
In the snow,
I was
too.
like, what?
They go through snow.
Do
on
they?
this.
I think they changed the tire though, right? I don't know.
Knobbies? Knobby your tires?
Knobby, they add spikes to it, the metal spikes to their tire, so it grips the
I
snow
think
and
so.
makes
Yeah.
better.
I've seen that on
Yeah.
bicycles.
Yeah.
The thing is, the traction's amazing on this because in order to stay on this, you're always on the center of the wheel. So the traction's always there. You don't have that like a bike, the front tire slip out. And
Yeah, yeah.
This one, we're always on top of
Yeah.
it. So
yeah.
you hardly ever slip out unless
Yeah.
you're really carving.
Yeah, like side.
Yeah.
Well, that's teenage boy stuff. I thought guys still do that kind of stuff.
It's awesome. It's
Yeah.
awesome. We're just
Damn.
testing this. We're pushing the wheel and putting your $2,000 wheel on the line.
I haven't dropped it yet, so I was worried. I'll have a few close calls over there. I didn't see those.
Seems awful cheap to me. It's like a car.
Yeah.
It's like you can't afford a car. You can afford this.
Yeah.
I mean, I can see kids taking these to
I
school.
replaced my car with this for the most part. Yeah.
Hey, good talking to you
All
guys.
right.
Enjoy your
Good.
day.
Okay.
You too.
Thank you.
I had one guy went to a Taco Bell, and he was all like, "My son would love one of those."
Yeah.
And then he was like, he's in Africa, and I was like, "What?" I was like, "This sounds like one of those scams. Am I gonna be shipping it?"